Hello fellow YouTubers, P3003 here, and I am back after a little bit of a hiatus. My memory card broke. As you can see, if I can get it right, it split on me. Anyhow, I am going to be doing a video of cleaning out my my brand new gumball machine that I got for Christmas. I already got disassembled. So apparently I got M&M's stuck inside of it from when the bowl was sitting on top of it. Well, let's get cleaning. That's what I found in the belly of the gumball machine. Now it's time to put it back together. Oops. There you are. Little divider, selector. And there you go. Glad I cleaned that out. Well, fellow YouTubers, you have a wonderful New Year's.